مرحبا بكم في إقامة سفير المغرب. I am Rashad Bouhlal, Ambassador of the Kingdom of Morocco, and our chef will introduce you today to very wonderful and traditional Moroccan dishes that I'm sure you will appreciate, and I hope you will be able to do them at home.
السلام عليكم. معكم شادية من السفارة المغربية في اليابان. غنقدم لكم إن شاء الله اليوم كسكسو. مازال حتى هي فاش نحطو. ولا التفوره الاخرى تنبغيو نحطوه.
So this is a very famous couscous that everybody knows about. The couscous is famous. You will have in all families having couscous almost every Friday. When I was in Morocco, I had an open day of couscous. Each Friday, all my friends in different ministries or elsewhere know that they come without invitation to my home, and there will be a very big couscous for almost 10 guests. Sometimes will be 10 around the table, sometimes only 1 or 2. And so it's something you share with others. And this is why the couscous is always served in a very large dish, and people are all around the table and they will eat. And there are rules. When you see that people eat in a dish, you say, yeah, but they are eating in the same plate. That you have to eat just in front of you. You never go in front of someone else. So you just dig your hole in the couscous like this, step by step, but always in front of you. You never cross the frontier that there is in front of you. So I don't need it. There is enough sauce in it. It's only very light dish. It's with vegetables only. So you have the taste of the vegetables, the taste of the flour or the semoula that has been made like this, and there is not much oil or butter. It's cooked with just the steam of the water. Maybe you have seen that, and it's also something you digest very easily. 1 hour after eating a couscous, you feel hungry again. So it is something that I always do to my guests, because when they come to the residence, they always expect to have couscous, and there is always one. And I do it vegetarian, because sometimes you have guests who don't tell you if they are vegetarian or not, so I don't make any mistake. All the other dishes have beef or chicken, but the couscous is always vegetarian. The Moroccan cuisine looks difficult. It is not. It takes time. You need to spend some time in your kitchen preparing and putting the ingredients together, and you taste and you see that you will be able to do the same couscous the chef is doing at the residence of Morocco.